What are you doing, Savannah? Hi.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, Lexi.
Look.
You're stuck. What are you stuck in? She's trying to get the toys.
Please.
I don't have a drink.
Please. Please.
See if she'll make her cute little noises. Savannah. Yeah, what are you doing, baby? Hi. Yeah. She's like, okay, I've been up long enough. It's time for me to try to eat. Yes, Lexi. You're stuck. Well, you're trying to put your shoe on? Well, you're supposed to be taking your shoes off because getting ready for night-nights. Alexis, don't hit your brother. No hitting. Say you're sorry. Oh. This is how siblings annoy each other. And somebody else has a hiccup. Okay, that's it.